Next question. Question number 6. ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its altitudes. First, let's draw equilateral triangle. This is the equilateral triangle ABC. We know in equilateral triangle all sides are equal. Here given side value equal to 2A units. All sides equal to 2A. Here we have to find altitudes. Okay, altitudes means draw one perpendicular line on base from vertex. Okay, A is the vertex. Draw one perpendicular line on base from vertex A. Okay, every triangle has 3 altitudes. This is a perpendicular line. This angle equal to 90 degrees. This is also 90 degrees. Here we get 2 triangles. This point is D. ADB is a one right angle triangle and ADC is the one right angle triangle. Okay. See, triangle ADB. Here AD is the altitude of triangle ABC. Altitude divides line segment in equal parts. Here line segment nothing but base. Okay, altitude divides base in equal parts. Okay, here D is the midpoint of BC. So BD equal to DC. We know BC value, BC equal to 2A, BD equal to A and DC equal to A. Is it clear? So apply Pythagoras theorem. Here we are applying Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. From triangle ADB. From triangle ADB, hypotenuse is AB. AB square equal to side square BD square plus AD square. We know AB value 2A. 2A whole square equal to BD. BD equal to A. A square. We don't know AD. Here we have to find AD value. AD is the altitude of triangle ABC. 2A square equal to 4A square. 4A square minus A square equal to AD square. AD square equal to 3A square. AD equal to root of 3A square. Therefore, AD equal to root 3 into A. Okay. Here altitude. Altitude AD equal to root 3 into A units. Okay. Here we have to find each of its altitudes. Okay. Similarly, we can find out that each of other 2 altitudes as root 3 into A. Okay. Other 2 altitudes. This is one altitude and this is one altitude. Okay. All altitude values are same. Why? All sides equal to 2A units. This is the equilateral triangle. So, other 2 altitudes as root 3 into A units. Is it clear? Next question. Question number 9. A ladder 10 meters long reaches a window 8 meters above the ground. See, this is the ground level. A ladder 10 meters long length of the ladder equal to 10 meters, reaches a window 8 meters above the ground. This is the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. This is the walls. Suppose this is the wall and this is a window somewhere here. This point is O and window at B. Okay. This is ladder. Okay. Length of the ladder given 10 meters. Let this point is OBC. Okay. See here we get one right angle triangle. Okay, this is the right angle triangle. OB is the wall. Window at B. Let window is at B. Here we get BOC is one right angle triangle, right angle at O. Therefore, OBC is the one right angle triangle. OBC is a one right angle triangle. Right angle at O. Okay. So apply Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Here hypotenuse is BC. BC square equal to side square OB square plus OC square. Here we have to find the distance of the foot of the ladder from base of the wall. This is the base. Base of the wall is O and foot of the ladder is C. Here we have to find the distance between O and C. BC value is nothing but length of the ladder, 10 meters whole square. OB equal to window 8 meters above the ground. Okay, OB equal to 8 meters. OB equal to 8 meters. Here we have to find OC. 10 square is 100 equal to 8 square is 64 plus OC square. Therefore, OC square equal to 100 minus 64, which is equal to 36. OC equal to root of 36 plus or minus 6. Okay. Here length never be negative, so take positive value, 6 meters. Therefore, the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall is 6 meters. Is it clear?